When you mention martinis, most people become very confused, but it's actually really simple. If someone orders a martini from you, in the old days we always used gin. But these days, with the popularity of vodka rising, a lot of people want vodka. So the first question I would ask is, do you prefer vodka or gin? Once we've established that your customer wants gin, the next question is, what brand? We want to use a premium brand since we're not adding a mixer to the martini. So stick with the higher end premium brands for all martinis. Next, we want to chill the glass. And the quickest way to do that is just fill it with ice water and then sit it to the side while you prepare the martini. Then we'll fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Then we're going to add the proper portion of gin, and that will depend on the size of the glass. Next, we'll add the portion of dry vermouth, depending on what kind of martini they want. And then we shake the martini. Some people will say to shake the martini until the outside of the shaker tin is coated with a frosty ice coating. That could dilute the martini a lot, which is sometimes a good thing for some people. So it just depends. Usually if they want it stirred, that's because they don't want it diluted, and they also don't want they don't want it aerated. So by shaking it, you're going to get all those bubbles. So they might want it stirred. So that's why we ask whether they want it shaken or stirred. Then we're going to dump out the ice water from the martini glass that we've chilled and pour the martini into the chilled martini glass. The last thing we'll do is add the garnish, either a garnish of olives, or perhaps we might want to use a lemon twist. Usually the dry martinis get a lemon twist, but it's up to the customer.